so fun watching you over all these seasons of The Chosen. Did you ever imagine back in 2017 that this is where you would be tonight with season 4 of The Chosen?
I didn't imagine anything, man. I've just been focused on one episode at a time. When I'm sitting in front of a blank screen and the cursor is blinking, it doesn't give a rip how successful or not successful my previous work was. So that's the bad and the good news. Because in season 1, I was coming off of a big career failure. I didn't know what the future was. I didn't care. It was just about how do I make a good first season that honors God and that is entertaining to watch. I have to maintain that today.
Yeah.
So this is great. We get to say thank you to the fans get to say thank you to us. But at the end of the day, I still got to get season 5 going. And so I still got to focus on the work. At the end of season 7, you and I will sit down and we'll be able to celebrate together, and I won't be thinking too much about the next season.
We're going to do it. Dallas, how have you grown as a director and spiritually throughout the course of all these seasons? Because you have spent so many years learning Scripture, immersing yourself in Scripture, bringing it to life.
Yeah, when you're tasked with portraying Jesus to the world in this way, you better get to know him.
Yeah.
And so in the last 5 years, I've done a deep dive into the Gospels because I've got 2 reasons for that. 1, I'm making a show, I need to do it accurately, and 2, it's impacting me as well. I'm learning so much how intimate of a God Jesus is. And you see that in the show, you see that in the Gospels, which is that whether he was calling you, healing you, or rebuking you, he knew your heart's cry. He knew what you were going through, he knew what you needed, or what you were resisting. That's still true today. So I'm trying to focus on that as even as I'm writing and directing a show. Now, as a director, I'd like to think I'm getting better, but I hope that season 1 is still good, even though it was done 5 years ago. But you're always getting better because you're always curious. I'm always wanting to learn. I'm always wanting to learn even from my own mistakes. So hopefully each season shows a little bit of that.